why have these two companies worked when so many other ones haven't?
I think it's, in any industry, there are only a few companies that kind of get big and succeed. I don't know, I think it just seems that in the case of Tesla, we were focused on making great products and solving hard engineering problems. I mean, as evidence in Tesla for the fact that we solve hard engineering problems is the fact that Toyota and Daimler and Mercedes, buy electric powertrains from us. I mean, if this was easy, they would just do it.
Right.
So we focused on solving really hard engineering problems at Tesla. Like I said, that contrasts with Fisker to some degree, and then at SolarCity, SolarCity does everything except the panel. So